Thanks, Tyler. For just a few minutes in the late afternoon on a particular day in April coming up, we'll be gazing in wonder at the sky. While the shadow of the solar eclipse won't be directly above the Ohio Valley, the question of why and how the moon blocks the sun still captivates us. 7 News reporter Colin Roos heard from a science professor on what secrets the dark side of the moon holds.
Be hiding now, but with any luck, the sun will come out for its moment to shine on April 8th. Not even cloud cover can stop the anticipation for a once-in-a-generation shadow, courtesy of the sun, the moon, and the Earth continuing to spin around and around.
It's a meteorological moment the world has been waiting for. The 2024 total solar eclipse crossing the U.S. has been known years ahead of time, and scientists have known exactly what it will look like. So why the hype? Dr. Valerie Plaus of Franciscan University explains it's about being in the exact right place in precisely the right time. As the moon orbits Earth, it crosses in front of the sun roughly every month. Usually this doesn't affect our view of the solar system, but when everything is tilted just right, you get a breathtaking force of nature.
Because the moon isn't perfectly lined up with the sun, the moon's shadow sometimes misses the Earth. And so every once in a while, when things line up exactly right, the moon's shadow falls right on the Earth and you can't see the sun.
The effect is an environmental event worthy of mythology. Dr. Plaus says eclipse watchers will see a glow around where the sun will be, while pink hues color the horizon from all directions. It's an otherworldly sensation that won't be felt here again for decades.
And so what you'll see is sunset, and like the crickets will go off, and different birds will start kicking on, but only for roughly 2 to 3 minutes, and then it'll go back.
There's one downside, though. The Ohio Valley won't be getting the full effect. The path of totality will slash through the northwest part of Ohio, and we have to settle for just a partial eclipse. But midday stargazing is possible with just a short trip. And while Mother Nature may have picked rush hour on a work day to make it happen, the hour-and-a-half drive there and back will be well worth 3 to 4 minutes of wonder.
Plan, bring lunches, bring snacks, maybe get a hotel if you can find one, or camping. Those would all be great experiences.
Now, looking directly at the eclipse could cause permanent blind spots. That's why you have to wear one of these aluminized mylar glasses here. And even if you keep your head down, you'll still be able to see crescent-shaped shadows between the leaves on the trees. Reporting in Steubenville, I'm Colin Roos, working for you.
Thanks, Colin. After this solar eclipse, the next one will be in 2026 and will be visible in Greenland and Iceland, so plan your vacations now. The Ohio primary election